There's something in your teeth right here. I hear something. Both of these sentences have one thing in common, and that's the word something. How do you say something in Russian? Let's learn that today. To say something in Russian, we say что-то. Что-то. Notice that the first letter sounds like sh, not ch, but что-то. And it means something. And the first sentence that I mentioned in the very beginning, у тебя что-то в зубах. You have something in your teeth. У тебя что-то в зубах. У тебя means you have. Что-то means something. В зубах means in your teeth. So что-то means something here. Another example is я что-то слышу. I hear something. Maybe it's some noise upstairs. Я что-то слышу. Я means I. Что-то means something. Слышу means hear. I hear something. So again, we use что-то to say something in the sentence. But I have one question. Why does a regular word something have a dash in it? What's this dash for? Why is it even there? But let's bring back что-то on the screen again. Что is the first part. То is another part. And dash is there to connect those two parts. We cannot just write что-то all together. That's an incorrect spelling. Okay? Что by itself means what or thing. But when we add то to it, it adds that extra level of secrecy of some unknown thing. Because что-то altogether means something, some unknown thing. Imagine a mother coming home from work and she bought her kids some sweets and she says, "Я вам что-то купила." I bought you something. So she doesn't want to disclose what it is because she wants to keep it a secret. She wants to keep it a surprise for her kids. Is it candy? Is it this? But coming from home and saying, "I bought you candy, I bought you sweets," it doesn't have the same secrecy to, or the same playfulness to it. But if she says, "Я вам что-то купила," I bought you something, has a little bit of a surprise to it. But also to add to the secrecy of it, we use то whenever we don't know exactly what's there. So for example, я что-то слышу, I hear something. I hear something, but I don't know what it is. Maybe it's something upstairs, like a rat in the attic or a human walking upstairs, or just the wind rattling. I don't know exactly what's going on, but I hear something. So we also use to when we don't know exactly what we experience, so to say, when we don't know exactly what's going on. But there's also other words with to, like кто-то, когда-то, где-то, and почему-то that have their own meaning as well. So let's talk about each of them individually with some examples. But before we get there, guys, if you want to take your Russian to the next level, check out our Be Fluent Camp with the first link in the description. And it doesn't matter which level you are, if you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced, we're gonna have a curriculum for you to take you to the next level of your Russian. So check it out with the first link in the description, and the start date will be there as well. We do it twice a year, so check out that link to see the closest time to right now while you're watching this video. But now let's get on to кто-то. Кто-то means someone. Тебе кто-то звонил. Somebody called you. Maybe you were at work and somebody called your house phone. Тебе кто-то звонил. Тебе means to you. Кто-то means somebody. Звонил means called. Somebody called you. Alright? But the reason why we use кто-то here is because it was somebody, some person. We don't know who it is, but there was someone who called. Right? So it's the unknown factor again. Next we have где-то. And где-то means somewhere. Я где-то возле дома. I'm somewhere near the house. I don't know exactly where I am, but I'm somewhere here. Okay? But also, there's a second meaning to где-то, and it means when we estimate something, somewhere around whatever. I can say, я приеду где-то через час. I will come in about an hour. So I'm estimating with this где-то. Я приеду means I will come. Где-то через час, somewhere around 1 hour. Okay? Then we have почему-то. Почему-то means for some reason. Почему-то он не захотел прийти. Почему-то means for some reason. Он не захотел. He didn't want прийти to come. So he had some reasoning behind not coming, right? So we don't know that reason, but there definitely is a reason. So почему-то is used for that. And then we have когда-то. Когда-то is somewhere or once. Вы когда-то мне рассказали историю. You once told me a story. You told me a story some time ago. I don't remember exactly when that happened, but once you told me that story. So когда-то is used for that to say that one time or once. So то is going to be that unknown factor or that secrecy factor that we add to our sentences. Somebody, somewhere, one time, some reason. So we don't know exactly those things, but we kind of add the unknown to our sentences. And now you know how to use что-то and some other words to add that unknown factor to your own sentences, but also you can learn more phrases with this video right here, where I talk about 25 most crucial phrases in Russian. Check it out.